Today, we're tackling a common dilemma faced by many homeowners and gardening enthusiasts alike: how to stop mushrooms growing in grass. It's a surprisingly common issue that, while not harmful to your lawn, can be a nuisance or simply undesirable for many. Let's dive into the solutions and prevention methods. Mushrooms tend to pop up in lawns for a variety of reasons, but they're most often a sign of healthy soil. However, if you're looking to maintain a pristine, mushroom-free lawn, there are several steps you can take. Firstly, let's understand why mushrooms grow in grass. Mushrooms are fungi, and they thrive in moist, shaded areas. They often appear when there's excess organic matter in the soil, like buried wood, dead roots, or leftover stumps. The key to preventing mushrooms is addressing these underlying conditions. One effective approach is to improve the drainage in your lawn. Soggy, waterlogged soil creates an ideal environment for mushrooms. Aerating your lawn can help improve drainage, allowing water to flow more freely and reducing the dampness that fungi thrive on. Additionally, consider reducing shade in overly shaded areas. Trimming branches to allow more sunlight to penetrate the ground can dry out the soil slightly and discourage mushroom growth. Sunlight not only helps reduce moisture, but also inhibits the growth of some fungi. Regularly removing organic debris, such as fallen leaves, grass clippings, and pet waste, is crucial. These materials serve as food for mushrooms, so keeping your lawn clean can significantly reduce their occurrence. Another tip is to ensure you're not overwatering your lawn. Overwatering can mimic the moist conditions that mushrooms love. Adjust your watering schedule according to the needs of your grass type and the current weather conditions. For immediate removal of mushrooms, you can simply pluck them out by hand or mow over them. Remember, while mushrooms themselves are not harmful to your grass, they can be unsightly and, in some rare cases, toxic if ingested by pets or children. Always wear gloves when handling them and wash your hands afterward. In conclusion, while mushrooms in your grass are usually a sign of healthy soil, their growth can be easily managed with a few adjustments to your lawn care routine. Improving drainage, reducing shade, keeping your lawn clean, and controlling moisture through proper watering are all effective strategies. By addressing the conditions that encourage mushroom growth, you can maintain a beautiful and mushroom-free lawn. Thank you for watching. Managing mushrooms in your lawn can be simple once you understand the conditions that promote their growth. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to enjoying a lush, fungus-free lawn. Happy gardening!